ready to ditch the desk and broadcast your awesome to the world, all from the palm of your hand. First, let's grab the Twitch app. Head over to the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the Apple App Store if you're rocking an iPhone. Search for Twitch and hit that install button. While that's downloading, consider what you want to stream. Mobile gaming is super popular, but you could also stream art, IRL adventures, or even just chill and chat. Okay, app's installed. Now, open it up. If you already have a Twitch account, tap Login New to Twitch. Hit sign up and create your account. You'll need an email, username, and password. Once you're logged in, tap your profile icon. It's usually in the top left corner. In your profile menu, find the stream button, tap it. You might need to grant Twitch permission to access your camera and microphone. Go ahead and allow that. It's essential for streaming. Now comes the fun part, setting up your stream. Give your stream a catchy title. This is what people will see when browsing. Then, choose a relevant category. If you're playing a game, select that game. You can also select other options like what camera you would like to use. Double check your settings. Make sure your camera and microphone are working. Once you are ready, tap that big, inviting Go Live button. And just like that, you're live. Don't forget to interact with your viewers in the chat. Acknowledge their comments, answer questions, and create a conversation. The more engaged you are, the more likely people are to stick around.